Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. Today we're going to be making these modern vases. This first vase that we're going to be creating is a pillar vase. The pillar vase retails about 70 bucks, so we're going to create a Dollar Tree version of it. So it has a round top and a cylinder bottom. The materials you're going to need for this project is a round vase, a cylinder vase, a hot glue gun or E6000 glue or any glue that connects glass, also a paintbrush, newspaper, and chalk paint. The chalk paint I got from Walmart for $1.26, so it still kind of stays in that dollar budget. So here I'm just painting the round top of the vase. And when you brush, just brush, up and down strokes. I found it better. It looks glossy in the video, but after the paint dries, it'll have that chalky ceramic look to it. Alright, so next I'm just going to put some E6000 glue on there and then connect it on the top. You can use your hot glue, whatever you have, whatever adhesive you have to connect the two. Here I'm just measuring the newspaper that I cut a strip off of around the vase just to cover the cracks. And then I'm going to paint that strip black, and then I'm going to stick it on there with a little bit of paint. You can use a little bit of water. It'll help it stick and go on a little bit smoother. All done. Now just go over with another coat. I say give it 2 more coats. I know the top of my vase is tilted, but I fixed it at the end. And this is going to be your final result. Next, we're just going to be creating some cute modern vases. So what I picked up was these 2 vases from the Dollar Tree. And then also you're going to need a paintbrush, newspaper, and chalk paint. Same from the first vase. So originally I painted this vase brown, but I didn't like the brown, so I went back with the black. As you can see, black is one of my favorite colors. And after you finish painting, this is your final result. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.